really excited to do this review today. It's something that I think's long awaited the dirt bike and enduro community, and that is the Crap Pipe by Michael Bailey out of Arizona. These are handcrafted, hand welded, amazing craftsmanship goes into each and every one, and I cannot say enough about the Crap Pipe. I wanted to do a review earlier, but I've been out riding, as you can tell, and I have probably 12 hours with many miles with the Crap Pipe installed, and I cannot say enough about it. I've been waiting for years for something like this to come out on the market, and finally Michael Bailey has delivered. A couple years ago, I tried to build something similar out of stuff I just got from my local hardware store. I actually had this mounted as a storage device on my Beta X trainer, and it seemed like a great idea, but it rattled, it bounced, it fell off, so it wasn't really an economical idea. And I really gave up all hopes of ever getting all the tools off my back to make myself feel lighter, ride better, and ride longer until I saw this. I was lucky enough to have Michael Bailey send me one, and I've been testing it out for quite a while. I've had it all over Montana. I've had it down in Utah. And really quick, let me just show you what all I have stowed in this Crap Pipe, and I'll just show you how much room that it has and the storage capabilities that the Crap Pipe is. So here's the Crap Pipe. Open it up, nice secure lid. You really gotta push it on there. Again, I have about 10 to 12 hours, maybe a little bit more on this, and nothing's ever came out or came loose. Open this up. Here's all my tools. Some tape, some wire, extra spark plug, and a tool roll, all fit inside the Crap Pipe. When you get this from Michael Bailey, it comes with everything needed. It comes with the mounting hardware. It even comes with a hole so you can keep your kickstand retaining strap. Simply mounts to the inside of your subframe with a bolt there and a bolt right under here. Also, watch the install video I have of the Crap Pipe. I wanted to do a unboxing video when I got it about a month ago and show you everything that was in it and do one of those unboxing videos. Well, when I got it, I was going on a ride and I was so excited to use it and install it that I just videoed myself installing it. It took about 10 minutes. It comes with all the hardware that you need to install it. It did come with some stickers, some bling, if you will. So pardon the no video of the unboxing, but there is a video of how to install it. So I hope you watch it. If you like it, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.